If you are wondering if there is headphone jack on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then the answer is unfortunately no. Over here we have the bottom of the phone where sometimes we can find the headphone jack, the 3.5mm jack, but as you can see it is not there. It is also not present at the top, so this is also another location where we can sometimes find the headphone jack, but as you can see it is not there. We cannot connect headphone jack directly. However, we can still connect our headphones, our wired headphones, by using an adapter. It looks, for example, like this, where we can use the USB-C port in order to connect our wired headphones. So just plug your headphones to the adapter, and then the adapter of course goes to the phone. And this is one of the ways that allows us to use headphones, wired headphones actually, on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!